Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, TheJinzo here. I'm back with a dope video for you guys. We're doing more competitive, content. Holy shit. My competitive videos have been the most viewed by far I've ever gotten on any of my videos. My Sky Striker video has gotten, I think, it was, what, 300 something views, babe? What? No, it was 147, I believe, something like that. So I thank y'all guys so much for all those views. But, so, because my competitive videos are doing, I just screwed that up. I misplayed. It's been a while since I've been over, guys. Anywho, so, uh, also, guys, nope. How do Yu-Gi-Oh? How did older guys in 2019? Right? Um, did you brick? Last time, maybe I should have done that first. Eek. Oh man, Ash Awesome. By the way, you guys, she did win that duel yesterday, like I said she would. She, what was it, Cobble Haunted back the, Triano? The, Ultimate Triano? Whatever it's called, and, yeah, that was not a good thing. She was trying to exceed into a Lagio adult guy thing. I figured that Altergeist is a roguish deck, and so is Dino, so it'd be a good match. We both apparently bricked, which kind of sucks for both of us. Why can't I attack? That's why. It didn't let me activate it, that's weird. You wanna see something crazy? This, wait, what? Oh, it's not what I thought it was. Yeah, but it's like, man, that sucks when that happens. Man, they 800 beat, babe. Wait, what? I didn't mean to do that. There's no reason to exceed into anything. Or link something into anything better. Yeah, thank you guys so much for all those views. I appreciate that. It's crazy to think about. Because it's in response to the miscellaneous Thesaurus, because it attributes backwards, it negates it. Because he hasn't fully resolved yet. She could have popped it. Popped the card. I guess she didn't want to. Does she play Leo? That Stardust Dragon? She actually could make a Stardust Dragon right now. Which would be kind of funny to do. I might need to pick out like 2 traps and add some more monsters. Me. That's fine. I highly doubt she has back row anyway. So, Heavy Stone Death doesn't really do much. If she didn't take a crackdown, she could have popped it. Why didn't it work? Yeah, this deck is really bad when it has. Also, a lot of the person was spoofing earlier. I misread it. That's game. 35, 45. Yeah, that's more than enough. So, let's get on to the deck profile real quick. So, we play 3 Marinara, 3 Melskill, 1 Multi-Faker, because it's at 1. We still play 2 of him, 1 of him. I can't pronounce the names well, so 3 Ash Blossom, 3 Ghost Ogre, 3 Polyduality, 3 Extravagance, 3 Personal Spoofing, 2 Protocol, 1 Manifestation, 3 Solemn Judgment, 3 Crackdown, 3 Infinite Permanence. Obviously, this card is insanely good. 3 Heavy Stone Dancer, which is something that I considered cutting out, and cutting this out for maybe more Altergeist monsters, or maybe adding like 1 for 1 or something. It's good, but it's only good against back row heavy dags. And Personal Spoofing, I decided to play 3 instead of the normal 2, because this got hit the 1. So I was like, you know, play more extra copies of my Multi-Faker, and not realizing 1 for 1 is a copy of Multi-Faker, because you can 1 for 1 into Mesquite, Link into Link Karibo, Mesquite, search for the Multi-Faker, activate a trap, blah blah blah, I don't know how that goes. Another option is Evenly Match, by the way. That card is insanely good, because you can evenly match in Multi-Faker, evenly match, Multi-Faker, Seven Sleeve, bounce back, Multi-Faker, bounce back, their last card. So yeah, evenly matches something you have to consider, especially in the side. For the extra deck, Altergeist Hexia, 3 of those, 3 Prime, 1 Nightmare Phoenix is generic back row removal, 1 Nightmare Therapist is monster removal, Unicorn, just removal and more removal, Claire, 1 Claire, and then 3 Link Creepos. So I did this, so I have 4 copies of cards to link into this, so 1 card for him. This is so that I will banish them off of the pot of extravagance. Play 4 copies, the odds of banishing them are so unlikely. And that play is just so good. So good. One of him, his effects suck. Oh, he doesn't have an effect. He sucks. He really does, but we don't really have a good generic link to that points left and down, left and right down, which is important sometimes. It barely comes up. It really, really, really comes up, but it does come up sometimes, and sometimes you don't want to use another, your Nightmare Link 2s or your Underclock Fakers 2. So this is a good card to make only 2 for. Speaking of, 1 undercard taker, and this card's okay. You don't really have a lot of big monsters in this deck, so it doesn't really come up much, but it can. Bolo Dragon, obviously, this card is insane. Bolo Sword Dragon, obviously insane. So, yeah, that's my Altergeist deck. For the side deck, I would play, like, 3 Spear mode. Actually, no, I would play, like, 3 Evenly Match. Impenetrable Order. Solemn Strikes. Solemn Warning. Or maybe not Solemns. Actually no. So 3 Evenly Match, Impenetrable Order, double Anti-Spell Fragrance. Just generic Floodgate, you know? There can only be one. My wife thinks that means it's hilarious. There's a cult show called Highlander, and that was a phrase in the show, which is this card's a reference to Highlander. Rivalry of the Warlords. Just generic Floodgates, I guess, like this. Mistake. I don't know. Prinkotops, Twin Twists. This, you know, generic Floodgates, removal, stuff like that. So, that's somewhat what I would make this deck look like, kinda, maybe. I'm not sure. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, and anything, and comment below. I will catch you guys later. Jinzo. Sign out. Y'all have a good one.